In this video, we will show you how to multi-home tasks. Multi-homing enables a single task to be part of multiple projects simultaneously. This ensures that any updates, whether a change in assignee, due date, description, or other details, are automatically synchronized across all projects that contain this task. To multi-home a task, follow these steps. Navigate to any task and then open up the Task Details pane. Under the Projects field, click the option Add to Projects. Search for the name of the project you wish to multi-home the task into. Alternatively, you can also paste the URL if you prefer. You can also add the task to a particular section in each project by multi-homing the task and then click the section name in the Task Details pane and select a section from the drop-down. Once multi-homed, any updates made to the task will automatically reflect in all associated projects, keeping information consistent and up-to-date effortlessly. Visit help.asana.com to learn more about tasks.